Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our third alternate card using elements from the May 2026 paper pumpkin kit. And when I was pushing the pieces out of this die cut, I thought, I could definitely use that for something. So I've taken a whole bunch of these and I have used my soft seafoam and a brush and colored them up, and then used the small stamps from the springtime scenes in Misty Moonlight, and I've stamped the Misty Moonlight, the Wishing You Happiness, on here. So I'm going to just attach this down right out of the gate. So this is going to sit on the card like this, and then we're going to just glue these around. So I'm going to flat mount them. I thought about dimensionalizing them, and I thought, no, that is just going to be too much. So I am just going to sit them down like that, and I've kind of done them in sets of 3, so they are going to repeat, but they're all going to get put along like that, and then down, and then just skipping the 3 that are here. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to stick these down, and then I'll come right back to you. Okay, I'm just going to glue the last 3 down here. Just popping them along the bottom of the card like this, trying to make sure that I stay relatively straight. And then we're going to add some antique pearls just to bling it up a little bit. And that is our card. So I am really, really pleased with how this turned out. And this would be great in, say, if we did it in Berry Burst or something like that. It would be super, super bright. But I thought I'd stay kind of, if I could, with this one, kind of in tune with what the kit was, with the Mossy Meadow in the kit. Okay, so I'm just going to pop them down like that. And I love how these antique pearls really, really kind of pick up the color of the soft sea foam. And I'm going to put these kind of all over the place and just bling things up a little bit all over the card. Oops, let's actually put that down. There we go. And pop another one maybe over here. And one more somewhere at the bottom here. So where do I want to put the one at the bottom? Maybe I'll just put it there. Okay, so that is our third alternate card using elements from the May 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.